Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now, as we know, we started a topic differentiation, and we know that differentiation represent f dash of x is limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. And we know that differentiation is exist if and only if left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative at the given particular point, that is LHT equal to RHT. Okay, and we know that every differentiable functions are continuous function, but continuous functions need not be differentiable. Good example is mod x. After knowing that all, now today we'll take important formulas, and already we have learned in PUC first year using first principle method. That formula we are using. Now we calculate. Today I will use some basic concepts of first PUC, so that if you remember the formula, then only we can do the example. Please perfect all the formulas. Okay. First one, differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Next, second one, dividing of cos x. Cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Remember that. Next, differentiation of tan x. Tan x is secant square x. Next, dividing of cot x. Cot x is minus cosec square x. Dividing of cosec x. Cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Next, dividing of sec x. Sec x is sec x tan x. Okay. Next, dividing of x to the power n. Differentiation of x to the power n. That is n x to the power n minus 1. Using first principle method, we solve all the formulas. The continuation same. If you want to take differentiation of exponential function, that is e to the power x, we get e to the power x only. Next, differentiation of log x, we get 1 by x. Remember the formulas. Differentiation of a to the power x, we get a to the power x log a to the base e. Next, differentiation of constant, k means constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. Okay. Next, differentiation of constant into function. Differentiation of constant into function. Take constant outside and do the differentiation only for variable. That is k into du by dx. If some more differences exist, then d by dx of u plus or minus v. You can write du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Next, d by dx of u into v, product of two functions. Product of two functions. We can write one function we are writing as it is u, do the differentiation of second one dv by dx. Next, second function we are writing as it is, do the differentiation of first function. Next, d by dx of u by v means quotient formula. For quotient formula, denominator we are taking v square and denominator we are writing as it is, do the differentiation of du by dx minus u dv by dx. And next, another one also product of three functions, that is d by dx of u v w. Differentiation of u v w. For that, we are writing u v as it is. Do the differentiation of third one, u v dw by dx. Okay. After writing the constant of uv, next we are taking dw as it is. We are writing dw as it is. Dw as it is. We are doing the differentiation of u du by dx plus. Next, uv we completed, dw we completed. Last possibility is uw. Okay. Therefore, we are writing uw as it is. Do the differentiation of dv by dx. So that we have done wuv differentiation. Okay. Please remember all the formulas. If you remember the formulas, then only we can do the example. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. Just please write down the formulas. Next we can take the examples based on that. Example, differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Okay. First example. The first example is here. We will take d by dx of okay, better I will write first one x square x cube x to the power 4, okay, x to the power 5. These are the examples. And 2x 6x square, okay. Next 7 by x, next 5 by x square, next 1 by x cube, next 1 by x to the power n. These are the examples. Okay. See solution of 1 by 1. We know that d by dx of x to the power n. Correct. We know that differentiation of x to the power n. Differentiation of x to the power n is what? N x to the power n minus 1. N x to the power n minus 1. Applying this formula for the polynomial functions. See first one, d by dx of x, okay, differentiation of x. Then tell me the power of its x. The power of x is 1. Therefore apply here. We get it is 1. N is 1. X to the power 1 minus 1. Means 1 into x means what will get it is 1. We can write 1 x to the power 0. And we know that anything raised to 0, either a to the power 0 or 10 to the power 0, whatever, we know that the answer should be 1. Therefore 1 into 1, what will get it is 1. Okay, its differentiation of x is what? Second example, d by dx of x square, differentiation of x square. Apply the same formula. N is 2 here. 2 x to the power 2 minus 1. Correct? We get 2 as it is. X to the power 2 minus 1 is x to the power 1. X to the power 1 can also be written as 2x. Correct? 2x. Next, d by dx of x cube. Correct? Apply the same formula. N is 3 here. 3 x to the power 3 minus 1. 3 x to the power. Just observe these 3 examples and tell me what it represents. See, differentiation of x, what we get it is 1. Differentiation of x square, 2x. Differentiation of x cube, 3x square. Okay. See, the power of the given variable, we are writing multiplication. Just concentrate. The power of the given variable, we are taking multiplication, and the power of the x should be, or the degree of the x should be reduced by 1. See, here 1 is there, 1 minus 1, 0 will be. Here 2 is there, it reduced by 1 means what? 2 become 1. Power is multiplied. See, power is multiplied here, and x square become what it is? X. And power that x should be reduced by 1. Similarly here x cube, correct? Power we are multiplying and its power should be reduced by 1. 3 minus 1, what will it is? Similarly we can write d by dx of x to the power 4. Okay, we will write directly. First step is what? The power should be multiplied, 4. And next, the variable of x reduced by 1. means 4 minus 1, what we get? It is 3. Okay, next we will take another one example, d by dx of x to the power 5. Correct. See that power is multiplied, means it is 5. Correct. And x, and this reduced by 1, 5 become what it is? 4. Okay. For example, if I take d by dx of x to the power 10, okay, that 10 should be multiplied and that power should be reduced by 1, means 10x to the power 9. In this way, we can do the n number of examples. Please remember this one. Okay, just write down the answer. We will take next examples. These are the examples based on differentiation of x to the power n. Okay, next one will take the solution. Next, d by dx of 2x. See, 2 is constant, variable is x here, and we know that d by dx of k into u. Correct. We know that constant with variable, means that constant we are writing as it is. We are doing the differentiation of variable a into du by dx. Correct. See, k is what here? Constant is 2. Therefore, we are writing outside and do the differentiation of variable. Variable is x. And just now we calculated differentiation of x. Differentiation of x is what here? 1. We get 2 into 1 is 2. Next, d by dx of 6x squared. See, 6 we are writing as it is, d by dx of x squared. Okay. Next, 6 we are writing as it is, differentiation of x squared. Differentiation of x squared, what we get is 2x. 6 into 2 upon x. Okay, in this way we can do. Suppose if I take another one example, just concentrate here. D by dx of 7x to the power 10. We will get 7 as it is, we are writing d by dx of x to the power 10. 7 as it is, x to the power 10 can be written as 10x to the power 9. 7 into 10 we get what it is? 70x to the power 9. Okay. Next, another one I will take. That is 8x to the power 5. Correct? This is the given example. If you do the differentiation of this d by dx of, okay, 8 is what? Constant. Take outside plate. Okay, d by dx of x to the power 5 means 8. Differentiation of x to the power 5 is what? 5x to the power 4. Power should be multiplied and power of x should be reduced by 1, means 40x to the power 4. Or else you can write directly, or see, d by dx of 8x to the power 5 is given. Correct. That constant and power should be multiplied. 8 5s are 40 and the power of x should be what? Reduced by 1, means we can write directly 40x to the power 4. And 1 marks question, better you write direct. Okay, just write down the answer. We'll take next examples. Next example is d by dx of 7 by x. Correct. Differentiation of 7 by x. We can write here which one is constant. 7 is constant. Better we take outside 7. D by dx of 1 by x. Correct. And we can write this is 7. D by dx of 1 by x can be written as x to the power minus 1 according to theory of indices. 1 by x can be written as x to the power minus 1. And we know that, see, we know that d by dx of x to the power n. We have the formula differential of x to the power n is of n x to the power minus 1. That same formula we are applying here. We get it is 7. Apply the formula. N is what here? Minus 1. Minus 1 x to the power minus 1 n minus 1. N is minus 1 and another minus 1 we are writing as it is. We will get 7 into minus 1. We will get minus 7 x to the power minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Or else we can write this minus 7. If I want, if we need this is positive, then we can take it is in the denominator. 7 by x square. Okay. This way we can do the given example. We will take next example. D by dx of 5 by x square. D by dx of 5 by x square. Which one is constant here? 5 is constant. Take outside 5. D by dx of 1 by x square. Correct? 5 outside. D by dx of x to the power minus 2. Again we are applying the formula of x to the power n formula. Therefore we are writing 5 as it is. And n is what here? Minus 2. We will take minus 2. X to the power n is minus 2 minus 1. 5 into minus 2 we will get minus 10. X to the power minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. If we need minus become plus, we can write it is x to the power 3 denominator. Okay. In this way we can do the example. Next example. Next example is d by dx of 1 by x cube. Means we can write d by dx of x to the power minus 3. Apply the formula. We get it is minus 3 x to the power minus 3 minus 1. Means minus 3 x to the power minus 4. We can write that it is minus 3 by x to the power. Okay. Similarly, we can do the example d by dx of x to the power n. 1 by x to the power n. Means we can write this one as d by dx of x to the power minus n. According to formula, we can write this minus n x to the power minus n minus 1. Means minus n by x to the power n plus 1. Okay. In this way, we can do the given example. I hope understood everyone. Next class we will take some more examples based on that. Thank you.